So now let's see how we can go ahead and apply the motion blur effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I got the canvas right here, and in order to add in the motion blur effect to it, you can go around onto the file menu and then go to the import menu right here. And then what you can simply do is import out the picture that you want to apply the motion blur effect to. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and take this particular picture of a car right here, and to apply the motion blur effect to it, you need to go around onto the effects menu right here, and then what you need to do is go to the blur section, and over here you can see that motion blur is an option. Once you go ahead and do that, you can go around and change around the distance, and it seems as if you can see that there is a motion blur going on in the picture, so that you can see that the car actually moves around over here as well. So you can see that you can change the direction as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to do this, you can change the motion blur into different direction in different angles, and then you can go ahead and type in the angle right here just like this as well and press enter, and this is what you have. So this is what you have, and you can see that it says ignore pixels outside of the image. You can use the paper color as well. So you can see that as you do this, there's a bit of a change right here on the pixels. But if I were to go ahead right here, you can change around the sampling style as well, and then subtly you can see that small changes are there right there, but you don't really see a huge difference. So you can go ahead and choose the off image sampling method as you like as well if you want to. And that is how you can simply go ahead and utilize the motion blur effect inside of Corel Draw to apply motion blur effect to images. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.